Welcome to Insights Live. I'm Rebecca Selby, and right now I'm joined by Dick Schultz, Vice President of Product Marketing for Manufacturing at Epicor. How are you doing, Dick?
I'm doing well today, Rebecca. How about yourself?
Doing well, thanks. I'm really having fun here at Insights. How about you?
It's a great show. It's been an energetic morning and look forward to a great rest of the week.
Now, Dick, you are our resident expert on all things manufacturing at Epicor, so can you talk to me a little bit about the growth challenges that manufacturers are facing today?
Yeah, manufacturers who really made it through year 2008 recession have looked to grow their businesses in new ways and forms, and it's really showed up in the area of creating lines of, blurring lines of manufacturing, causing them to really expand from their simple mixed mode manufacturer into distribution in some cases, and really broadening their manufacturing competencies. Real challenges to their existing systems, their existing processes, and we as Epicor really look to help them take their systems, their processes, and grow their businesses into the next step.
So what categories would you say that those challenges fall into?
What categories? So the big categories being globalization, really looking whether it's being driven by a supply chain or it's being driven by customers or new business opportunities to look globally and grow their business, or it's omnichannel, really looking to deal with the problem of having to ship to anyone, anywhere, at any time.
So talk to me a little bit more about this word omnichannel. What is that and what does it mean for manufacturers?
For manufacturers who've traditionally had to deal with shipping to a DC, to a distribution center, or to an individual store in a retail chain, they now have to deal with shipping and getting orders from stores, from retailers, from end consumers, and be able to handle that and represent the retailers or further up the supply chain in ways they've not had to. So that may be direct shipping to an end consumer, making it look like it came from the customer directly, or from the vendor specifically.
That's a new way of doing business, essentially.
Absolutely, and most manufacturers just are not prepared for it today.
Not yet, but along those lines, what can you tell me which technologies are available to help support these manufacturers as they're trying to grow with all of this other stuff on their plate?
So when we look in a couple areas like the shop floor, the new buzzword is Internet of Things, and we look at tools like our Matec advanced MES system that allows really the shop floor execution go all the way down to the machine, where we're no longer collecting data from input of employees on the shop floor, but directly from the machine, whether it be quantity complete or quality. We're able to speed. Velocity is the real key to getting efficiency. We're able to speed the rate of information through the system using tools like Internet of Things. If we also look at tools and technologies like additive manufacturing, 3D printing is an example that in the early days really helped with new product introduction. We're able to do 3D prototypes that allow engineering to get products quickly.
That's fantastic.
To the shop floor. And now we look further into how to take these technologies, whether to do things like produce medical devices that are done directly in a doctor's office, rather than having to be built with long lead times, or even do repairs that can be done in the field, where we're making repair parts using 3D printing in the field, rather than having to store parts and put them on trucks that might be used for field service.
So lots of technology available to companies that are looking to grow.
Absolutely, and those who are not picking it up today, they may not be on the forefront. It'll be in their plans before they know it, or they'll be part of the engine that consumes them, or they won't be in business 3 years from now.
It's a lot for manufacturers to consider. Thanks so much for your perspective. I appreciate it. If you would like more information about any of the things that Dick has discussed here today, please visit epicor.com.